Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Thank you for stopping by. I want to give you a mini tour of new happenings in the garden. Take a look at some of our new growth. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Marva, and a very special welcome to you. So our first stop will be right here in this bed. Check out these vines. These are cucumbers. They were planted, these seedlings were planted just a few weeks ago. And look at this. Look at those cucumbers. There are many of them in here. Small ones. There's some tiny ones right here. Look at those in a cluster right there. Bigger ones right here. Wow. One thing you should know about cucumbers is that they grow very fast. Yeah. So all along this vine are cucumbers. And look at those beautiful flowers. Wherever there are flowers, those are potential fruits. And on this side, we have cantaloupes. Let's check these out. There are many blossoms over here as well, which means we will soon see fruits. Yeah. Beautiful. Let's check out this surprise over here. This is a sugar apple tree. But while there are no fruits on it right now, check out this surprise below. That large patch of pumpkin. Yeah, this is a volunteer plant. He just showed up under here, likely from kitchen scraps. Wow. I see a young one right there. Let's hope that holds up. I wonder how many pumpkins will grow here. Yeah, the only thing that we planted for sure are these pineapples. There's two small ones coming up, but the pumpkin vines are overtaking them. We may not be getting fruits from above, but it looks like we'll certainly get something from below. A great surprise. Volunteer plants are always welcome in the garden. And here's another volunteer plant. Come with me. This papaya tree is a volunteer plant. It showed itself right here in this bed. And now, fruits will be ready soon. And that's not the only thing here that's a volunteer plant. Check out these. This mini bell pepper is also a volunteer plant. Look at these. And we have harvested some already. In addition, we have another patch here. Not sure what kind of squash it is, but hopefully we'll get something from it. And take a look at this Scotch bonnet pepper plant. It has a lot of Scotch bonnets on it. And here's another one to be harvested. I harvested a few already. Check them out here. Yeah, this plant is giving us a lot of fruits. Seems like every day we get to harvest from it. We leave the rest for another day. And next, check out this Nesberry tree. As you can see, got some already from here, but the tree is still producing. There are Nesberries of different sizes. Yeah. They are all over. Below and above. Let's go check out this other fruit tree. It looks like there's a papaya to be harvested right here. This is a nice one. Wow. Lovely. Oh, and here's another one too. Yes, folks, we got 2 papayas today. Yeah, so this is just a mini tour, and I thank you for staying and watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And next time, you'll get the rest of the tour. But thank you for coming. And for those of you who are always watching, I do appreciate your views. I appreciate your thumbs up. I appreciate your comments. Thank you for coming. And I'll see you next time, right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Have a blessed day.